Hi to my Aao Baatein Kare family. A big and warm welcome to all of you. And if you are new to my channel, a very big and warm welcome to you too. Okay, today I'm going to show you 5 of my very unusual decks, so which you can buy for yourself or are also very good at good idea for gifting. Okay, so mostly all the unboxings are there on my channel, or by the time you see this maybe they have been published, most of them. Okay, so let me start with this, the power of surrender cards. This was one of I bought few months back. This is a 53 card deck. Okay, I'll just show you this deck. And guys, now you can Google search Aao Baatein Kare. If you type Aao Baatein Kare on Google, they will give you all the platforms Aao Baatein Kare is on. And please check out all my platforms and follow and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this is the first box. This is the back of the deck. I just love it. It is a beautiful purple. I think the sun is going down. Okay, and this is all different kinds of surrenders. Something we should surrender to in life to go forward. Some are good surrenders, some are we have to learn to surrender. All are good surrenders. Surrender to procrastination. If you've got a habit of just pushing the job, you'll do it tomorrow, after 3 days, after 4 days, that is called as procrastination. So you have to start doing things as soon as possible. Now is the time to jump on the good goal of putting it on a goal instead of putting it off. Take the action. Taking action will attract success. See this. Surrender the habit of people pleasing. So these cards, I think there are 50 cards. Let me check. 52 cards here. Okay. So, and every card, this is so unique, and there are different beautiful colors. See, there's a yellow, there's a purple, blue, but behind all the cards are same. To prevent burnout, slow down, honor your need for quiet time and peaceful sleep to rejuvenate your mind, body and spirits. Wow. I've put sleep affirmations also and meditations on my channel. Please go and check it out. Surrender to worry. Wow. So means surrender to stop worrying. It means give up on worrying. That's why I was saying there's different kind of surrender. Surrender to silence. So start going silent for 10 to 15 minutes. Start meditating and just kind of aligning your life and see what answers you get from the universe. So I really recommend this deck. It can be one of your initial decks also, and even a person who has got no background of studying tarot also can also use this deck with friends and family. So I'll just give you a rough idea of what it is. A slight flip through. So this is first of my 5 unusual decks. Okay, I'll just show you. Guys, I have even started a section of Hindi videos, so you can find all my Hindi videos in my playlist. I have started a new section of short stories. So if some of you all enjoy short stories, you can go and check out that. I have a different separate playlist, so it will be easy for you to find. And if you want to learn tarot, understand what are tarot cards, so I have different playlist or videos I have put up on that, and I have kept a playlist for you to understand and find it very easily. And whole day we pass on so many messages. Some of them are good, happy, entertaining. Most of them are mostly worrisome. So please don't forget to pass on my video or podcast. Maybe somebody is meant to hear a positive message from it, and that will be your good deed of the day. And I thank all my Aao Baatein Kare family. Because of you, Aao Baatein Kare is now on Google search. So this is not just my success or milestone. It is a success for all my family members, all my Aao Baatein Kare family who have made this happen. Thank you so much. Now, as we have reached the air sign, it is time of coming together for beautiful things, for collectively, for positive things, thinking beautifully for the humanity in general. Okay, so this is my first deck. Let me show you my other deck. And please don't forget to press the red subscribers button. It is free. That is the best part. Okay, this is the Osho Zen Tarot. The unboxing is there on my channel. I don't know how many cards. Let's see. And you can even find my podcast with the same name, Aao Baatein Kare. Okay, so this is the back of the deck. It's beautiful. I think this is Japanese, Osho, yeah. So I wish I could read it, but and here are different beyond illusion. So I think I will have to read the book for that, or you will have to take the guiding book. I have read many of it in my unboxing. Okay, the miser, guidance, consciousness, stay and at the present, not in the past, no anxiety for the future, rebirth. We are all evolving in life, and if you think you're not evolved, means you're stuck. So try and think how you can evolve, because evolution is a process of life adventure. Schizophrenia, wow. Control, going with the flow. That is so important for all the manifestations. Harmony. Guys, you can even check out, I have put up videos on the grand conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter. If you're interested in astrology, I have videos on that too. And there is a separate playlist. And this is for some of you, if there is a setting in YouTube as well as my podcast where you can increase the speed. If you find the videos or the speaking slow of any person, not just mine, anytime you can make the speed double from 1.25, 1.5, 1.75 till double, because everybody has to speak at a common pace so that the collective or everybody understands. Even in podcast, you just look around, there is dots, sometimes they are in a circle, sometimes they are in a line, so you can speed up all the podcasts so you hear it faster. If you can grasp it faster, good enough. Playfulness, this is also needed in life. Time to relax, just do what you want, maybe singing, dancing, cooking, some spa time if that your country or area allows, especially during this COVID times. Anything, go sitting in the garden, talking with friends. Suppression, wow. Burden, friendliness. So this is also a beautiful card deck, something very unusual, and I really liked it. So this is my second card deck. This can be a very beautiful initial deck of yours for you, especially if you're already bought a few simple decks. This is, as the name is, a very Zen deck. If you check my unboxing, you will get more details. Okay, this is my third unusual deck, the chakras. find the unboxing of this deck also on my channel. I like the boxing, it's beautiful. Okay, this is the back theme. Let me show you. All the cards have this common back theme. Chakras. And this is the front. So there are basically 7 chakras, and it is very important to heal all the chakras. For that you can do meditation, and you can even hear the specific chakra music. For every chakras there are different music. Okay, so the green one represents the heart, so this is the heart chakra. The yellow one is the sacral chakra, just below your chest. The red one is the root chakra. So you can, I really recommend, because I meditate and I do my chakra healing, so I recommend it to everybody, because if our chakras are not aligned or healed, everything goes whack. Okay, so let me show you a few cards. Abundance. This yellow is sacral chakra, enlightenment. You will get more details in the unboxing. Wisdom. Balance. Forgiveness. Oh, Rhonda. I remember because I had read this card. Facade. Beautiful. So if you're interested in Hindi videos, I have even one section where I put up my Hindi videos for my Hindi viewers. So I have got separate very clear playlist of different playlist for Hindi videos, a different playlist for learning tarot, a different playlist for unboxing, and I have a different playlist for short stories. Some of you all are very interested in short stories, so I have also made a new series, added up, of short stories. And also I have introduced a new series, or will be introducing soon, till you see this, is you have got a message, or the message, you have to check your message now. So the new series, check your message now, that I will be introducing soon. By the time you see this, I think I must have already introduced it. Is I'll be pulling 2 tarot or oracle cards and explaining to you the message of those cards. So you can make it a habit, check all the playlist. I'll be making a separate playlist for this, so you can see the message which is meant for you for the day before getting out of the house, or maybe this is a message meant for you for the coming week or the coming few months. So messages will be different for everybody. So do get into the habit of checking your messages. So I will be putting up a lot of short messages, short videos on check your messages. That will be a new series I'll be adding very soon. And all even the short stories and check your message are exclusive contents, only will be available on my YouTube channel. There will be no podcast for them. Okay, so these are recovery. So I really like it. These will show you what you need to work on. Perception, or they'll guide you. Faith. What is the next message you have to work on? Impartiality. Perception. So life is not exactly as we perceive it to be. So you have to need to look at some situation. So okay, so this is my 3rd chakra deck. It's very easy and very but deep meaning. The book explains it wonderfully. See, if I let me read you this perception. If I read you this perception, a young inspiration. This is very long. I'll just give. Often our journey brings us full circle, leaving us to wonder why things happen. Emerald stone teaches us to follow through on whatever is before us. Going back is not an option. Beautiful. Keep moving forward We have to keep evolving, keep growing, keep moving forward. The roads are closed. Going back is not an option. Okay, this is my fourth unusual deck, Angel and Ancestors Oracle card. This is a 55 card deck. There is already the unboxing is on my channel. I really love this deck. This is the guidebook. I must have already read one or two cards in the unboxing. Let me show you. Okay, this is the back of the card. So grand and beautiful. Just see this. I love this owl. And I'll show you the front. Fire Guardian, ignite your passion. Beautiful. Enjoy success and happiness. And there are more details of this in the guidebook. This is just a slight flip through, you'll get an idea. She Wolf, unleash the wild within. Grow within your current situation. Oh, even the short stories you'll get Amma's stories also. So Amma is a wise lady who guides others with small stories. Hunter, track down your fears and desires. Great teacher, learn from spiritual experiences. Hermit, retreat and recharge. This is a really need of the collective, to sleep more, relax, meditate, ground yourself, take time for yourself. Maybe it is something what you enjoy doing. Take time for that, take time for more sleep, take time to be just silent. Try being silent every day for 5 to 10 minutes. Not just when you're sleeping, when you're awake. Winter Guardian, connect with your emotions. Mountains. So this is my fourth unusual deck. I really like the theme. It has got a very shamanic theme. Shield Maiden. Okay, so this is also a very once you have already started tarot or oracle, or if it's your hobby of collecting these cards, this is a very good deck for your collection and very good for somebody who really enjoys it. And as I always say, guys, be kind to each other and please share. Do not forget to share my videos and podcast. Maybe there is a very positive message for somebody and you are doing the good deed of the day by giving that person a message. Maybe a video was forwarded to you and that has led you to my channel. So maybe you are feeling you're getting such positive messages. I am just a channel. These are what guidance you have asked from the universe. The universe gives us guidance in a million ways. We can't even think about those ways. So my channel is just one of the million ways. Maybe you are meant to hear some message, somebody else is meant to hear some message, and everybody takes a message of a different kind from the same thing that I am talking. Believe it. So this is basically what they are, mostly green, grounded colors, brown, dark green, black. So I love this thing, this deck. I really like it, recommend it for anybody who's starting or who just collects these. It's a very good even for your gifting. And always, as we have entered the air eras, it is more about doing things collectively for the good of humankind. So whenever, that's why I always say, whenever you find my positive message in my videos or podcast, do share it in all your groups. And don't forget to press the red subscribers button, just like this box. It is red and it's absolutely free. anytime you can go and Google search Aao Baatein Kare and find all the platforms Aao Baatein Kare is on. Okay, so this is a sacred Indian tarot card. I love the color, I love the boxing, just see. Sorry. And the booklet, the cards are few, but the booklet is very beautiful. One side is the full card and the explanation. I have got the unboxing on this. Mostly by the time I release this, that will already have been published. Okay, I love black, and there's a black and slight golden shade for this tree. So see this, I love it. Even seeing the cards before, I love the back. Oh, Ganesha. Strength, Bhima. So in the unboxing, I have given you all the details. So a beautiful explanation. So you can even pull out one card every day. Chariot, Rath. Chariot is also speed. Wheel of Fortune, Dharma. Something, Kismat palat rahi hai. Wheel of Fortune. There is change in the wind. Hermit, Rishi. Time to relax, ground, meditate. Take care of yourself. Maybe mostly it is the time to hibernate. I'm mixing hermit and hibernation so fast. I want to speak. Hibernate and take care of yourself. Magician, beautiful. Just see the colors of a sari and this full aura, beautiful aura. So we are the magician of our life. We have to just believe in ourselves and ask our creator, our God, the universe to support us. This is a bit depressing hangman view. Mostly hangman, the man is looking from a different perspective. He's hung down from the tree, just relaxing, upside down. Justice, Nyay. So I love the cards. Death, Yama. This is his buffalo. Yam comes on his buffalo. Okay. Temperance, Ardhanarishwara. Yep. There is masculine energy and feminine energy in each and every person. So guys, I really recommend this card deck. It is very beautiful, spiritual. It is it is mostly 100% on Indian theme. That's why it's a sacred Indian tarot. But you will love it, and especially when you read it, more details. Brahmand, beautiful. Judgment. There's a Buddha behind in the background. Sun, Surya. Okay. Main, Moon. This in Hindi it is Main. Main means me, I, myself. Tower or Killa. It's the tower moment. So these are my 5 unusual decks. I hope you all liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share with family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please press the red subscriber button. And also I am putting up or adding in lot of new series. So please let me know in the comment section which ones are your favorite. And please, I have made a very beautiful and detailed playlist. Go and check it out. So be kind to each other. Please be connected. Talk to each other. एक दूसरे से बातें करते रहिए. एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़े रहिए. See you again with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.